question A. So first I identify all the information given in the question. So this is all information I got. This is all information I got, and yes, I use the compound interest formula for this question. This formula. Then I substitute all the value into the formula. So I got this. After that, I divided both sides by 7,000 to include the exploitation term. Then I solve it and I got this. And to solve for t, I apply log on both sides. And I using the log rule, the power 2t is brought to the front. Is brought to the front. Okay. Then I divided both sides by log 1.01021, and the value obtained is approximate and 20 equal to 2t, and 20 I divide over 2, and I get 10 years for t. Okay, that's answer for question A. And we continue with question B. So question B, we must give an interest earned by Remy. So we use formula interest S minus P. So we substitute information S and P, and we got this. So that's all for me.
Alright, so for question C, determine the total amount accumulated in the new saving account after 3 years for the countdown payment. Alright, so for phase 1, the P is 5,600, the K is 0.056, and the time is 2, and the compounding frequency is 6. So if we insert all of this inside the formula, you will get this answer. And for the second timeline, for the thereafter, it is 0 for the K is 0.046, and for the compounding frequency is 4, and the time is 1. So we need to put all of this inside the formula, which is this formula. Alright, so you just put inside the calculator, just put this number, all of this number inside the calculator, you will get this answer.
So we continue with the question D. So question D same with question A. So the formula and the step is same. So this is the information we get, and we must use this formula compound interest. So after that, we must substitute the formula, and we got answer this. So that's all.
Alright, for the question E, find the value of K, the annual nominal rate. So it is based on phase 3. Alright, so for S, we already got S, which is 9,000, which is 9,800 ringgit, and for the time is 4 years, and we need to find the annual nominal rate, and the M is 2 because it is semi-annually. Right, so if we put all of that inside the formula, it will look like this. The 9,800, you need to divide it by 6,667.35 cents. You get this answer. Alright, so for this, if you want to find K, you need to square root it with this power, which is 8. You need to square root it with 8. So you will get this answer in the calculator, and you need to minus it with 1 because you transferred it to here. So the answer will be this one, and you need to times 2 because if we transfer it to this position, it will become time. So you will get this answer inside the calculator, and you need to times with 100 because the annual nominal rate is in a percentage form. So you will get this answer.
Okay, next we move the next question. Next we settle the down payment first, and we get this is the target saving. So the target saving, how to find the end? We must using this formula to get the end, because we have S, R, and so on. Okay, in the formula, and how to get the end, we must using the formula log. Okay, and this is the formula log. When n is behind, we must go to in front, and now then we get 21 months. Alright, next we move the next question. The next question is B. This is house price is increased by 5% at the same time she finished saving. Okay, now this is the price. This is price house, and this increase is 5%. Now we get 11,000. This we plus to get a new price, and this is a new price. Then how to get the increase to the percentage price? So this is old, so new, so we minus the new minus old, and we get 1,100.
Okay, hi everyone. For question C, we need to calculate the monthly installment for ME housing loan based on the new house price. First, let's find the actual loan amount. Since the new price increased to 231,000, here we subtract the 10% down payment of 23,100. This leaves us with a total loan amount denoted as A of RM 207 and 900. Next, let's list down our variables. The interest rate is 12%, which is 0.12 compound monthly. So our monthly interest rate I is 0.12 divided 12, which is we get 0.01. The total number of monthly payments and over a 20-year period is 20 times 12, which is we got 240 months. Now we apply the loan amortization formula. A equals to R and bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I bracket and negative n, and then the divided I and close the bracket. So substitute our values into the formula, which is RM 207,900 equals R times the discount factor, which calculates to approximate 19.890. Finally, by dividing 207,900 by this factor, we get a monthly installment R of RM 2,000 and 289.60 cents. So this is the answer. Okay, next I will pass to the my partner Hadif.
The first we must to calculate this to get total payment. Okay, to get total payment, and we get total payment in 20 years. Alright, and how to get interest paid? Interest paid is this answer for the total payment. We minus 207,900 based on question C. Alright, based on question C. Yes, based on, and we get the interest paid. That's all from me.
Okay, so moving on to question E, we need to find the outstanding balance remaining on the loan after Amy has consistently made payments for 30 years. To find the outstanding balance, we use the present value of the remaining payments. The total loan terms is 240 months. Since Amy has already paid for 30 years, she has completely 30 times 12, which is 156 payments. Subtracting this from the total, we find that she has 84 months here. Okay, using the same amortization formula and keeping our monthly installment are at RM 2,000 and 289.60 cents here. We calculate the present value of these remaining 84 payments. After plugging in the numbers, we multiply our monthly payments by the new factor of 56.648. This gives us a final outstanding balance of RM 129,677 and 37 cents. Here the answer, the final answer. Okay, that's all from us.
Thank you.
Thank you.